These cocoa berry cooking batons were recommended to me by a baker friend, and they are just delicious. One of my favorite things is just when you open the box and smell them, they remind me of Easter bunnies and that delicious chocolatey deep scent that is just so irresistible and yummy. You get so many in one box, and they are so versatile for so many things. First of all, definitely snacking because they are so yummy. They have a really nice crispy snap to them when you bite into them, and they're really delicious, just a really nice, deep, delicious chocolate. They're also great for garnishing, whether it's a creme brulee or a coffee, or a cake, or a cupcake. Really, the possibilities are so open. But you could also chop these up and make your own chocolate chips and use them for cookies and brownies and so many things. They're a really great flavor. They look so pretty in the box, and like I said, you get so many, so really, you can do so much. You can stir them into coffee or hot chocolates, and they are also halal. And I feel like they are chef approved and recommended, so I'm just imagining all the wonderful things that you can bake with these. And so I'm really glad to have found these, and I would definitely recommend Barry's Baking Batons.